In the heart of Venezuela, over the Catatumbo River, a mysterious phenomenon unfolds nearly 260 nights a year. This natural light show, known as Catatumbo Lightning, produces around 1.2 million lightning strikes annually. The show is so consistent that sailors once navigated by its glow, and it's visible from over 250 miles away. Scientists believe the unique geography and meteorological conditions create the perfect storm for this perpetual lightning. Yet, despite extensive studies, the magic behind Catatumbo Lightning remains partly unsolved, leaving visitors and researchers in awe of nature's electrifying display.